Hello Tealstreeters, ready to set up your WooX API keys? Here's a quick guide to get started. Click on Create API Key, choose your account, set permissions to enable trading and your key description. Now, you need to add either your IPs or our Tealstreet network IP addresses. We will proceed with ours. Copy these addresses and paste them into the appropriate section on the WooX website, then click Add. Next, you need to add your two-factor authentication code and click Create API. Fill out your name and choose a color for the tab. Add the Application ID, API key and API secret key, then click Add. You're all set and ready to start trading. If you'd like, support the development of our platform by using our referral link.